Every organization wants to automate complex business processes using AI. But there's one major problem. AI agents hallucinate. One incorrect API call can corrupt business data, trigger compliance violations, or even transfer money to the wrong account. Existing workflow builders focus on automation. We focused on trust. Introducing MORPHEUS, an AI-native enterprise case management platform that plans, validates, executes, and self-heals enterprise workflows. Today's workflow tools still expect users to manually design every step. That means users become workflow architects. And once AI starts executing those workflows, there is almost no protection against hallucinated API calls. Enterprise automation shouldn't depend on luck. It should depend on intelligent governance. MORPHEUS changes this completely. Instead of asking users to build workflows, they simply describe their business objective in natural language. Behind the scenes, multiple AI agents collaborate, debate, validate, and generate a complete enterprise workflow. The human is no longer the architect. The human becomes the decision maker. Let's see MORPHEUS solve a real enterprise problem. Every time a new employee joins an organization, HR teams coordinate across multiple departments, validate compliance documents, provision systems, configure payroll, and ensure every approval is completed before day one. Even a single missed step can delay onboarding, create compliance risks, or impact the employee's experience. With MORPHEUS, all of this begins with just one business instruction. In one natural language instruction, we're asking MORPHEUS to automate the complete onboarding lifecycle, from document verification and compliance checks to payroll setup, asset provisioning, approvals, and cross-team notifications. Instead of generating the first workflow it can think of, MORPHEUS convenes its architecture court. 4 specialized AI agents independently analyze the request, each with a unique responsibility. The architect designs the complete onboarding workflow. The security agent evaluates potential risks and access vulnerabilities. The efficiency agent identifies opportunities for parallel execution to reduce onboarding time. And the compliance agent ensures every step aligns with enterprise and regulatory requirements. Rather than working in isolation, these agents challenge and refine each other's proposals, ensuring that every critical decision is carefully validated before execution. Within seconds, MORPHEUS transforms a single business objective into a fully structured enterprise workflow. Notice how complex processes such as educational verification, background verification, PAN and Aadhaar validation, payroll setup, HR approvals, IT provisioning, and team notifications are automatically organized into a logical execution flow. Tasks that are independent run in parallel, while approval-based actions are executed sequentially, creating an optimized workflow without requiring the user to manually design a single step. During workflow planning, the compliance agent identifies an important business rule. Since the joining bonus exceeds 50,000 rupees, HR manager approval is required before processing. It also validates payroll configuration under Section 192 of the Income Tax Act to ensure TDS calculations follow regulatory requirements. These checks are built directly into the workflow before execution even begins. Once approved, MORPHEUS begins executing the workflow. Each task progresses independently while respecting dependencies and approval requirements. Every API interaction is validated before reaching enterprise systems, ensuring safe and reliable automation. Every generated workflow becomes a living case object. Rather than being just another automation pipeline, it now has its own unique identity, execution history, approval records, audit logs, and lifecycle tracking. Every action performed during onboarding becomes completely transparent and traceable. During execution, Morpheus encounters an AI-generated API request containing a parameter that doesn't exist in the latest HRMS schema. Most workflow platforms would execute this request immediately, potentially corrupting employee records. Morpheus doesn't. Our Hallucination Firewall intercepts the request in real time. It validates every parameter against the live production schema before allowing execution. The mismatch is detected instantly, and the request is safely blocked before any enterprise data is affected. This transforms AI hallucinations from business risks into safely handled exceptions. Detection is only the beginning. Morpheus now activates its temporal reasoning cortex. Instead of simply reporting an error, it reconstructs the sequence of events that caused the failure, identifies the exact root cause, proposes a corrected workflow, and safely resumes execution. The process continues from where it stopped without restarting the entire onboarding workflow. Within minutes, the employee onboarding process completes successfully. Educational verification, compliance validation, HR approvals, payroll configuration, system provisioning, welcome communication, and cross-functional notifications are all completed automatically. Every decision, approval, correction, and execution step is permanently recorded inside the living case, providing a complete audit trail for enterprise governance. Adaptive decisioning. GATE, ADG, uses AI to evaluate complex business rules in real time and automatically proposes the best path forward in a workflow. It then pauses execution for a 60-second window, giving humans the opportunity to review or override the AI's decision before it proceeds. After voice approval in Hindi, in the audit trail human review approved entry shows the full Hindi transcript logged permanently. This single audit trail entry proves Sarvam is handling real-time voice transcription, phrase detection, and compliance verification all in one artifact. "79 enterprise workflow cases stored as living graph objects in Neo4j Aura DB. Every case Morpheus has ever run, with its full history, audit trail, and amendments, permanently stored in the graph. Every case has a unique ID, a status closed success, suspended, awaiting human, and an amendment count, showing how many times the TRC self-healed its own architecture mid-execution. This is Neo4j doing something no other AI platform does. Every time a human accepted or rejected an agent's objection, that decision was written as a graph relationship. Neo4j now knows that the Sarvam-powered compliance agent has the highest credibility in payment workflows, because humans agreed with it most often. The next court session uses these scores to automatically weight agent votes. Every time the temporal reasoning cortex detected a failure, autopsied the case, and patched the architecture, that patch is permanently recorded here as an amendment node linked to its case. This is Pega's case amendment pattern, the case's own architecture evolved during its lifetime, and Neo4j remembers every change. This is the living case object as a graph. Every node you see is a real entity. Cases connected to workflow nodes connected to executions, connected to firewall results connected to amendments. The relationships between them are not just storage. They actively power the TRC causal chain traversal, the credibility scoring, and the audit trail. This is why we chose Neo4j. No relational database can traverse this graph natively. AI automation is becoming faster every day, but enterprise trust cannot be compromised. At Morpheus, we believe the future isn't about building smarter AI agents. It's about building systems that can govern them. Because enterprise AI shouldn't just automate work, it should automate responsibly.